traffic scenario in our city.
Working President Jongka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ka Deborah si Marak kala Kubur baka Seng kalamat iki Jingeh na ka Jingmi Seng jong Dr. Mukul Sangma hausnam ahjal arpuwe kala keno baka Jing Sharem ha ka election ha gambegre ka day na ka Jing Pia ya ka vote ha pedeng ka Congress bat ka Trinamool Congress kata ka TMC ka balapan mentoy pat ya ka Seng NPP Kamarak kalaong baka nu karai ha ka bayaday bat ka Jingwan pai biang kidukot berim jong ka Seng kandon kam ya ka Jingeh keren bat kinong yalam bahalor jong ka Congress.
See, Gambegri election, Congress defeat is one of the reason because our fight was triangular fight. You all know that very well. Our Congress vote split into two. You plus Congress and TMC vote, we would have won. I do admit. Now new party has come in Garo Hills in the name of TMC. And our Congress vote so much eroded towards TMC party. That's why our votes divide into two. We always need to fight triangular nowadays. Therefore, NPP, they get the advantage out of that.